Good morning, boys and girls. Back today with another unboxing. I got a small shipment here from Apmex. I told you guys in my last video that with the stabilization that I saw in the silver price on the chart, I figured maybe it was a decent time to go ahead and pick up a little bit. So I've done that. I also, in this video, I'm going to have my March update for silverfish. I went back through my old videos and tallied it all up. It was a little more interesting this month because I made a lot of small purchases. You guys saw me purchase a lot of graded coins this month. And I had that one Atosha coin and the 25 Morgans in the set. So I went through and tallied up all that, and I'll have that at the end for silverfish. So here's the Apmex order. We're going to go ahead and get right into it and see if we can open this box. We know we can, because we're an intelligent species. Although these boxes sometimes make me feel like an unintelligent person. Found it. Here we go. You guys are going to be witness to me stabbing myself one of these times. And when I become rich and not so famous, you guys can say, hey, I knew him before he stabbed himself in the crotch or the face. Or the crotch and face. What the? Or the crotch face. Anyways, that's it. I'm being silly. Alright. We got us a package. Oh, this is actually garbage. The only reason I order from Apmex is for these damn things. Let's move on. I'm going to start sending them back to Apmex. I hate to throw them away. It really makes me feel like shit. They go through the trouble of making them. It's a nice gesture. I just wish that maybe they had some other little trinkets that they could throw inside. How many notes do they think we're taking, for God's sakes? So, anyways, there's my little rant. Alright, we got an open package. Sorry that took so long. We got an invoice. Okay, we've got some more graded coins. Here we have a 2012 PCGS Proof 70. America the Beautiful, Hawaii Volcano. These are the quarters, okay, Proof 70. It's a hard one to come by, the volcano. And if you guys didn't notice, the 1 ounce variety is almost complete, is sold out pretty much anywhere. There's the volcano. Here we have a PCGS America the Beautiful Glacier in Proof 70. Again, it's a quarter. Here we have a PCGS Proof 70 Olympic. trying to keep the glare out of there. Again, a quarter. Here's a PCGS Proof 70, America the Beautiful, Choco Culture. That's beautiful. I love that. And last but not least, PCGS Proof 70, El Yunque, America the Beautiful Quarter. Those are really nice. I was a little worried about these quarter sizes. I didn't think I was going to like them too much, but they're gorgeous. Really, really nice. All 2012. I don't know. I can ask you guys, how many excuse me, how many of these are in this set? I have 5 here. How many are in the set? What am I missing? Help me out. Let's see what else we got here. Dun dun dun. We got a tube. If you guys buy tubes, you know what this is. But we're going to open it up. I wanted to get some weight. As I told you in my earlier purchases for the month, I haven't really gotten any weight as far as silver content goes, so I went ahead and got a full tube. And these are, here's a little bit of information. You may know this already, you may not. If you want to buy these full tubes, and in most cases even the single bullion, the cheapest 1 ounce you're going to get, with the exception of privately minted rounds, the cheapest bullion you're going to get is these right here, by the tube and also by the single coin, and that is the Austrian Philharmonic. But I think they're gorgeous. A lot of people don't like them. I'm not sure why. They're not super popular. But if you're looking to get into silver, this is a good way to do it. And I think they're gorgeous. So there's another 20 ounces to the stack. So that's it. That's the new stuff I got. And that's going to be it for this video. Now, as far as my update for silverfish, in my first video, looks like I had about 20 ounces. Second video, well, none of that matters. The total, including this this purchase, is 0.3 ounces of gold, 50 ounces of silver, and a 1/4 ounce of platinum. Now, I know platinum was not on my initial goal, so I'm going to make a 1 ounce goal for platinum for the year. So here we go, guys. Got some really nice quarters, got the Philharmonics, and got 50 ounces of silver, 1/3 of an ounce of gold, and 1/4 of platinum. So, it was another decent month. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure that you thumbs up my video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys. Bye.